Hi guys, welcome to Chemistry Academy. This is Ramesh Reddy. See the last class continuation. In last class, resonance energy and resonance energy related problems are completed. Now we are going to discuss preparations of benzene. Preparations of benzene. See the first one. First preparation method from alkanes. Once you check in alkanes topic, alkanes. Now we are going to prepare benzene from alkane. Benzene means minimum 6 carbons required. So in alkanes also starting minimum 6 carbons. So that process is aromatization. Aromatization process. But alkanes are aliphatic. Aliphatic compounds are converted to aromatic compounds. It is known as aromatization. So what is aromatization? Conversion of aliphatic to aromatic. Conversion of aliphatic to aromatic. Known as aromatization. Aliphatic to aromatic known as aromatization. So in this case reagent you can use Cr2O3 or Al2O3 or V2O5 vanadium pentoxide MO2O3 molybdenum oxide MOO or MO2O3 molybdenum oxides. So this is the reagent. But conversion of benzene ring aliphatic to aromatic. Benzene ring means minimum 6 carbons. So in aliphatic also minimum 6 carbons. So minimum 6 carbons required. So in this case minimum 6 carbons required for this conversion. For example, go to hexane. This is N-hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Passed through. What is the reagent? Cr2O3, Al2O3, or V2O5, or molybdenum oxide. So in this case, first carbon is bonding with sixth carbon. First one with sixth carbon. Initially it is converted to 6-member ring, bonding between first carbon to sixth carbon. By loss of, what is it? 1 mole of H2 gas. And simultaneously loss of hydrogens. Loss of hydrogens. 3 moles of H2. Loss of H2. Loss of H2. Loss of H2. So 3 moles of H2. Then converted to benzene ring. Gives to benzene ring. Now this is aromatized. See once again listen. First one from alkanes. That process is known as aromatization. Aromatization means conversion of aliphatic to aromatic is known as aromatization. So in this case reagent is Cr2O3, Al2O3, V2O5 or molybdenum oxides. So aliphatic is converted to aromatic. Benzene ring minimum 6 carbons. So minimum 6 carbons required. 1 to 5 carbons of alkane do not show this reaction. So in this case, initially converted to cyclic compound, then alternative double bond. So total how many moles? 4 moles of H2 gases loses. So first example is N-hexane, 6-member ring, gives to benzene ring, bonding between first carbon to sixth carbon. Next go to N-heptane, bonding between first carbon to sixth carbon or second carbon to seventh carbon. So in both cases to form 6-member ring. Then remaining carbon is substitution. That is a methyl group. Methyl group. Next go to N-octane. 8 carbons. 8 carbons. So you want to prepare what is that 6-member ring. Bonding between first carbon to sixth carbon. First carbon to sixth carbon becomes benzene ring. Leftover carbons are ethyl. Plus second possibility, bonding between second carbon to seventh carbon. Second to seventh. Second carbon, this is second carbon and the seventh carbon. So adjacent position is the substitution. Then third to eighth gives to same product. Third to eighth gives to same product. So this is the first preparation method. That is from alkenes. Go to next, second one. From alkynes. Second method from alkyne. YNE. That is maximum acetylene. Acetylene. This is very familiar reaction. 3 moles of acetylene gas passed through red hot iron or copper tube. Red hot iron or copper tube. This is also aliphatic. So bicyclic polymerization gives to benzene. So 3 moles gives to 1 mole of benzene. 3:1 ratio. 3 moles gives to 1 mole of benzene. So what is the definition? 3 moles of acetylene gas is passed through red hot iron or copper tube gives benzene. Please write down definition then equation. Next, third one. From phenol. From phenol. Phenol. So what is that phenol? Benzene ring directly attached to OH. This is phenol. Phenol on heating with zinc dust. On heating with zinc dust. Loss of ZnO. Here loss of ZnO means zinc oxide. ZnO. What is the leftover part? Benzene ring. Then attached to hydrogen. Ring attached to hydrogen gives to benzene ring. So what is the statement? Phenol on heating with zinc dust gives benzene. By loss of what is that? ZnO. ZnO means zinc oxide. Next, go to fourth method. From sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. That is by decarboxylation. By decarboxylation. What is the decarboxylation? D means removal of CO2. Removal of CO2. So for removal of CO2 is known as decarboxylation. So for decarboxylation, reagents are called decarboxylating reagent. So that is very familiar one is the soda lime is the example. Soda lime, NaOH plus CaO. Now see the equation. This is benzene ring, COONA. So this is called sodium benzoate. It is from benzoic acid. Sodium benzoate on heating with soda lime, NaOH plus CaO on heating with soda lime. So in soda lime, loss of CO2, that is in the form of Na2CO3, gives to benzene plus loss of Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, loss of Na2CO3. Next one, fifth one. So what is the statement here? Sodium benzoate on heating with soda lime, gives benzene. Next, loss of CO2, that is in the form of Na2CO3, known as decarboxylation. Please write it, statement, then equation. Next one. From benzene sulfonic acid. from benzene sulfonic acid. See the equation. This is benzene SO3H. Benzene sulfonic acid. On acidic hydrolysis, H2O in the presence of H+, that is acidic hydrolysis. Or you can use superheated steam. Steam means water vapors with high temperature. Superheated steam. So in this case, loss of what is it? Desulfonation. Desulfonation. Here addition of H. Here addition of HOH gives to benzene plus sulfuric acid. So loss of H2SO4. Generally SO3 is the good living group. It undergoes desulfonation. Loss of H2SO4 is known as what is it? Desulfonation. Desulfonation. See here what is the statement? Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid on acidic hydrolysis or superheated steam gives benzene. Next, it is also known as desulfonation. Desulfonation means loss of H2SO4. In acidic medium gives to benzene. If you are using basic medium gives to phenol. So that we will discuss in later. Next, sixth method. From benzene diazonium. From benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. First of all, you have to prepare benzene diazonium salt. That is by diazotization. It is important reaction in second year. Diazotization. What is diazotization? Benzene directly attached to NH2. This is called aniline. Aromatic compound. Aromatic primary amine. Only primary amine. Treated with NaNO2. NaNO2 plus HCl or HNO2. NaNO2 plus HCl. NaNO2 plus HCl gives to HNO2 or you can use HNO2. So most important condition is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature must be cold condition, that is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So in this case, NH2 group converted to N2 plus Cl minus. Amine gives to diazonium. N2 plus Cl minus. N2 plus is known as diazonium. N2 diazo, positive side is diazonium. So complete name is benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. See the definition. Aniline, that is aromatic primary amine. Aniline on treated with NaNO2 plus HCl or HNO2 at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius gives benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt is known as diazotization. Next, this benzene diazonium salt is very, very important. Intermediate. By this method, by this intermediate, you can prepare different compounds. So anyway, it is important intermediate. Now from this, you can prepare benzene. See here, that is benzene diazonium salt, N2 plus Cl minus. On heating with H3PO2 reagent. See the reagent H3PO2 or ethyl alcohol. Gives to benzene. So what is the statement? Benzene diazonium chloride on treated with H3PO2 or ethyl alcohol gives benzene. Then write an equation. Next we go to last one. From Grignard reagent, that is phenyl magnesium halide. It is Grignard reagent. So what is that phenyl magnesium halide? This is the phenyl ring, magnesium, then go to any one of the halogen, bromine, by using hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, H2O in the presence of H+. So what is here? In Grignard reagent, always magnesium is more positive, then adjacent carbon must be negative. So in any Grignard reagent, carbon can act as nucleophile. Here minus. So minus looking for what is that? H plus ions. So H plus ions from water. So here H plus, then minus gives to what is that? Benzene. Remaining byproduct is MgBr. This is plus, plus looking for minus. But next case I am taking here D2O. In first case H2O, then second case D2O. D2O gives to what is that? D plus ions. D2O gives to D plus ions. So in Grignard reagent minus attached to D. Here H2O gives to what is that? H plus ions. D2O gives to D plus ions. Now these are the preparations of benzene. So okay, I have to write down with the statement and equations. Okay. In next class we will discuss chemical properties of